We have Kayla here. She's doing some tightness in the back of her hamstring. She has a really tight hip though. That's where the pain's coming from. She's a triathlete, has nationals coming up. UCLA, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. This weekend, so we gotta make sure she's feeling better. Let's drop those shoulders a little more. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Other side. There you go.
Oh, that's so good.
A little more to the left. Next, drop that shoulder. If you're a runner dealing with tight hamstrings, this is a great exercise. You're gonna kick back the leg that you're holding onto the cable machine, stand up nice and tall, squeeze that glute and squeeze this lat. It'll take care of that hamstring tightness.